What's up, best friends? My name is Brian Deach, and let me guess, you're migrating your old SAP from the data center over here to that cloud thing, and you're going down the route of a customer managed SAP rollout for workloads. And what does that really mean? So, it's quote unquote moving to cloud. And when we say that, the reality is you're going to be moving it to one of your hyperscalers. And the idea here is to have a certified model that works across all the major players that are out there. So we can come over here and say whether you're doing something in Azure, AWS, or GCP, we got you back. And who's we? We would be Zscaler and SAP. And we start to think about like what this looks like, your SAP for workloads, and kind of extend this out and kind of highlight what we need to do. Now, the problem here is kind of simple. You want to kind of reduce your attack surface. You want to get the application rolled out there. You need to have support for your home users, your office users, your road warriors, and your third-party users, whether they're coming in across SAP GUI or SAP Fiori. So we'll be looking at this and saying, okay, you're going to have your SAP app that's over there. And of course, that's going to be the whole S4HANA, which is what we're being kind of pushed to. And you might have the SAP database that's over here as well. And again, our deployment model is very persistent, it's consistent, and it just makes a lot of sense. You guessed it, I guessed it. What's the next connectivity tissue of this entire puzzle is going to be the Zscaler app connectors. And these app connectors would be deployed over here. And they have like that application adjacency that can talk to your SAP applications that are out there. But more importantly, they're going to reach outbound to where? To the Zero Trust Exchange. So I'll draw the little Zscaler cloud right here. And the idea here is to hide all of your SAP applications back behind the Zero Trust Exchange, because really the only way to get there, whether you're a home user, you guessed it, Zscaler client connector. If you're an office user, yep, you guessed it, Zscaler client connector again. Road warrior working at home, Starbucks abroad, Gulu, Africa. Yes, you guessed it, Zscaler app connector. And for your third-party contractors, yes, you could give them a heavy app, right, to be able to come in here. Or better yet, you can say, come in through any browser in the world. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Brave, it doesn't really matter. You're going to be able to do this through SAP Fiori. And the idea here is through browser-based access and all the cool controls that you get with that. If you don't know what's in browser isolation, copy, paste, upload, download, the list kind of goes on and on. And the idea here is when you're rolling out a customer-managed SAP, right, not doing the private cloud edition, you want to have seamless connectivity and security that you're already familiar with. That's what Zscaler brings to the table. For their app connectors, Zscaler private access, that connectivity, doesn't matter what the user is be able to come in here and be able to interact with that application. Marketplace availability across all the major players that are in there is going to be paramount. So it doesn't matter if you're in Azure, AWS, GCP, we got your back. And last but not least, this is a certified SAP deployment from SAP and from Zscaler to ensure that we keep the lights on, we do this fast, we keep your users fast, happy, and productive, and best of all, help embrace and secure your SAP deployment. With that said, do me a favor, leave a like, comment, subscribe below, and reach out to your local sales team for more details, because you don't have to do this by yourself. We're here to help. Thank you for watching.